Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Design. While most of us spend an insane amount of time decorating our home and planning for more efficient interiors, it is often that lonely little corner space that goes unnoticed. Many among us pretty much resign to the fact that there is very little we could do about it and tend to either place a decorative art piece or something quite inconsequential there. Yet there are plenty of wall shelf designs that can turn the boring corner into an exciting display or storage option. All you need to do is look towards your own kitchen for some inspirations. It is amazing to see how that tricky corner in the kitchen is laced with ergonomic shelves, yet we do not do same when it comes to our own bedroom or living space. In this video, you will find few ideas that will hopefully inspire you to incorporate some cool corners wall shelves. For contemporary look with an architectural design quality, standing corner shelves can add a premium look to your space. The shelf don't require anything so mundane as nails or wall brackets, instead standing as a unit on the floor and blending into the wall. This style of shelves look particularly good in alternate color of walls, serving the accent of the room. You can always add stuff like books, antiques, trophies, certificates, medals in your standing corners shelf. And to make it more useful, you can also stock up daily utilities like accessories, keys, etc. A home library is something that most of us think about, but never really act upon. A small and quiet reading room is a wonderful addition to any house, and you can use an elaborate L-shaped bookshelf in the corner to turn it into a modest home library. Add some plush seating, smart lighting and a few accessories and you are pretty much set. Whether it is a dining area or your living space, there is always a forgotten and neglected corner. A smart shelf can instantly turn any such corner into an exciting display that showcases creative design. Since picking and placing such shelves takes very little actual work, all you need to do is pick something that suits your existing theme in terms of design and color. A bedroom is the perfect place to put in a snazzy corner shelf that will act both as a display unit and also as a place to stack up all the books. Most modern bedrooms leave the corner space untouched, sometimes to bring in the minimalist feel, but if you are one of blending in form with functionality, then this design works best. A particular effective space saving solution for small apartment homes